Hello and welcome to Coloring History, and today we will draw one of the greatest inventors in history, Granville T. Woods. He has over 50 patents to his name. Some of Granville T. Woods' inventions are the multiplex railway telegraph. Another invention is the first electric roller coaster that uses a mechanical lift that pulls cars to the top of the ride. So when we are done drawing Granville T. Woods, this is what he should look like. So let's get started by making his face. We will make a large U shape like this. Next, we will make his ears by making a backward C like this on one side and a C shape on the other. All right, next we are going to make a curved line from here to here for the top of his head like this. Next, let's make his hair. So we are going to make a curved line like this, a very thin space between the hairline and the edge of the circle. And then we are going to come up like this and then make a curved line from here to here like this. All right, let's make his eyes. So we're going to make two rainbow shapes like this for his eyes. And let's make a U shape like this to connect the rainbow shape. And let's add a circle inside each eye. And let's partially shade in the circle for each eye. Next, let's give him two eyebrows. And let's give him a U shape for the nose. And we're going to make his mustache. So we're going to make a diagonal line like this. And then another one like this. And then we are going to come up like this with a curved line. And then do the other side. And let's make his lips by making a curved line from here to here. And so we are done with his face. So let's make his body. We are going to give him a vest with a shirt. So we're going to make a vertical line like this. And another vertical line like this. And we are going to connect it with a horizontal line. All right, let's make a V shape from here underneath his face to here. All right, let's make the collar. So we're going to make a diagonal line here like this and a diagonal line like this. And let's make a curved shape here. This will be the tie, and a diagonal line here like this and one like this. So we have his tie, his collar. So let's make his pants. We are going to make a vertical line like this, then a horizontal line, then come up, and then a small horizontal line, then come down with a vertical line like this, then a horizontal line right here, and then connect with a vertical line. All right, let's make his shoes by making semi-circle, one here, and one here. All right, let's make his arms. We are going to have his arms behind his back. So we're going to make a curved line like this from shoulder to waist. And let's do the other side. All right, and let's make a diagonal line here for the edge of his shirt and a diagonal line here. All right, so we are done drawing Granville T. Woods. So now let's make the roller coaster. All right, so we're going to have him in front of the roller coaster. So there will be some overlapping. We're going to make wavy lines from here like this and coming down. And let's pretend that there's an imaginary line and it's coming back up like this and then coming down to the edge of the paper. All right, so the tracks are on something to hold it, right? So we are going to make vertical lines to make it appear that the roller coaster is elevated from these poles, which represents these vertical lines. And I'm going to do this underneath each part of the track. And so I think we should do one more here. So we are done drawing the roller coaster, but we need to draw the carts. So I am going to make 3 carts. I'm going to make an M shape like this, and then connect it, and then shade it in. And then 2 dots, 1 for each wheel. Let's make another one. M shape like this, connect it, and shade it in. And 2 dots. I'm going to make one more cart. M shape like this, connect it, and then shade it in. And 2 dots. And that's it. We are done drawing Granville T. Woods in front of his roller coaster, the figure 8. The next step is to color. As you can see, these are the colors that I used. I hope you had fun coloring history. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.